I go to school every day.
I went to school yesterday.
She eats breakfast at 8 a.m.
She ate breakfast at 8 a.m. yesterday.
He studies English every day.
He studied English last night.
She celebrates her birthday every year.
She celebrated her birthday last week.
She practices yoga every morning.
She practiced yoga last evening.
He reads the newspaper every morning.
He read the newspaper this morning.
She donates clothes to the poor.
She donated clothes to the poor last Sunday.
We decorate our house for festivals.
We decorated our house for Diwali.
I attend online classes every day.
I attended online classes last Monday.
They discuss new ideas daily.
They discussed the topic yesterday.
He invites his friends to his party.
He invited his friends to his party last night.
She draws beautiful sketches.
She drew a beautiful sketch yesterday.
They organize events every month.
They organized an event last week.
He saves money every month.
He saved ₹500 last week.
He mows the lawn on Sundays.
He mowed the lawn yesterday.
He rides his bike to school.
He rode his bike to school yesterday.
My grandmother knits warm sweaters.
My grandmother knitted a sweater last winter.
I work in an office.
I worked in an office last year.
They travel to different cities.
They traveled to New York last summer.
She teaches English at school.
She taught English last week.
She buys groceries every week.
She bought groceries yesterday.
They play chess every evening.
They played chess last evening.
She listens to music every evening.
She listened to music last evening.
I find this book interesting.
I found this book interesting yesterday.
He sends emails every morning.
He sent an email yesterday.
She cuts vegetables quickly.
She cut vegetables yesterday.
He uses a laptop for work.
He used a laptop for work yesterday.
She takes photos during vacations.
She took a photo at the beach yesterday.
He visits his grandparents often.
He visited his grandparents last Sunday.
She bakes cookies every Friday.
She baked cookies last night.
He wears a uniform to school.
He wore a uniform to school yesterday.
He writes letters to his friends.
He wrote a letter to his friend yesterday.
She washes her clothes every Sunday.
She washed her clothes yesterday.
This plant grows very fast.
This plant grew a lot last summer.
He applies for jobs online.
He applied for a job last month.
She wakes up at 6 a.m.
She woke up at 7 a.m. yesterday.
He cooks dinner every night.
He cooked dinner last night.
She helps her mother in the kitchen.
She helped her mother in the kitchen yesterday.
He walks to the park every morning.
He walked to the park yesterday.
They watch movies on weekends.
They watched a movie last night.
He sleeps early every night.
He slept early last night.
I clean my room every weekend.
I cleaned my room last weekend.
We meet every Friday.
We met last Friday.
They dance at every party.
They danced at the party last night.
I call my family every Sunday.
I called my family last Sunday.
He sings in the choir.
He sang in the choir last Sunday.
She opens the door every morning.
She opened the door this morning.
He closes the window before going to bed.
He closed the window last night.
He does his homework in the evening.
He did his homework yesterday.
He drinks coffee in the morning.
He drank coffee this morning.